In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable inventory tracking for a product in Shopify. If you have a product in your store that is not currently tracking stock correctly, this is a quick setting you can update directly from your Shopify admin. The goal here is to make sure Shopify knows you want to monitor the quantity available for that specific item, so your stock levels stay accurate as sales come in. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main admin area where all of your store settings and product tools are available. This is where you'll manage inventory settings for individual products. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Products. This will open your product list where you can view everything currently added to your store. From here, select the specific product that isn't tracking inventory. Make sure you choose the correct item, especially if you have products with similar names or multiple variants. Opening the right product first will help you avoid changing the wrong listing. Once you're on the product configuration page, scroll down until you find the inventory section. This area controls whether Shopify keeps track of the stock count for that product. If inventory tracking is turned off, Shopify won't automatically reduce the available quantity when someone places an order, which can lead to inaccurate stock information on your store. In the inventory section, check the box labeled Track Quantity. This tells Shopify to begin monitoring how many units of that item you have available. After that, enter your current stock count in the quantity field. Be as accurate as possible here, since this number becomes the starting point Shopify will use going forward. When everything looks correct, click Save. That final step applies the change and updates the product so inventory tracking is active. After saving, it's a good idea to briefly review the product page to confirm the settings stayed enabled and that the stock count appears correctly. If you manage inventory manually, remember to keep these quantities updated whenever you restock. And if the product still doesn't seem to track properly after this, double check that you edited the right product and that the inventory section was saved